What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is 2023 and I am so happy to be back. In today's video, we're going to continue working my 2006 Dodge Ram 2500. What we're going to do, I am going to go ahead and start the truck. I don't even know if it runs anymore. It's been months since the last time I started. I'm going to clean it. I'm going to remove all that tape. I'm going to put fresh new tape, new papers, new everything. And also I'm going to work a little bit more on the body of this truck. Also guys, I'm doing a giveaway, so be sure to participate. I'm giving away a Goon Squad merch. I got the hoodie right here with the Audi R8. That is my ultimate favorite car, and you won't find this anywhere. I have one of a kind. Also, I have the classic, the ultimate, the best Only Out Worker shirt, and you also getting yourself a sticker. So guys, be sure to follow the rules. All you gotta do is follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, write a comment on the old video why you want to win. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link right here, and the winner is gonna get picked randomly when I hit 400 subscribers. So guys, be sure to participate. You don't want to miss out on this. All right, let's get to the video. Alrighty guys, so that's how my truck looks right now after cleaning. Man, it needed that clean. It was so nasty. And here is the other side, nice and clean. We got some dirt right there. I'm gonna take care of that later. But yeah, now everything, look at all that color, man. Now it's popping. One of the things I wanted to show you is right here. When I was moving the truck over to this house, something hit it and scratched and dented this side right here, you see. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and sand it, you know, just to Put a little bit of bonder right here, prime it, and then paint it over again. Not a big deal, easy fix, but that's something that I wanted to show you. Sucks that it happened, but it's not a big deal. And the battery was so dead. It was dead, 100%. Oh my God, man. I had to use this machine to start it. So it took me a couple tries, but it finally charged and I was good. Alrighty guys, so that is just a quick update. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like put brand new tape, new papers, new everything. We're gonna start fresh. And also I'm gonna work on the body of this truck. All right guys, stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so this is what I had to do. I had to go ahead and fix this. I decided to do it all over again because honestly it wasn't the best. So I just removed all that extra bundle and I really hit it hard just to make sure that everything is inside. So yeah, I mean, I know it looks terrible, but all I gotta do is just put that bundle on again, sand it, and hopefully it will look good. But honestly, I think it's gonna look a lot better when it's finished. I really want to talk about is that our family is growing. You already know that I have my girlfriend that she's from Ukraine, and Ukraine been having a lot of stuff going on with Russia. So my girlfriend brought her sister and her sister brought 2 kids. So let me introduce you guys to the children. Alrighty guys, so we have right here Badan. He's 10 years old. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, so he is going to be in the channel. I'm going to train him to work with me on cars and everything. So I'm very excited for the upcoming potential. Now let me show you guys the little girl. Alrighty guys, as you can see, this bed, it's so rusty. Oh my god, I did not know it was this rusty. I'm just like literally grabbing it and this thing is just falling apart. I just used the vacuum and I just picked up all the remainings, but oh my god, I don't even know what to do here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab the grinder trying to get this rust off, and we go from there. Alrighty guys, so this is how it looks right now. With the blade, I was able to make a clean cut just to remove all the rust. So what I'm thinking about doing next, I'm just gonna buy a sheet of metal and then I'm just gonna weld it together. I'm really hoping that with a metal sheet and welding it together is gonna fix this problem. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you think I should do that, or do you guys have any other suggestions? Just drop your thoughts and comments down below. Alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. As you guys know, I am not a professional. If you guys want to see what's going to happen next, be sure to subscribe, for more content. And also, don't forget to like the video. That tells me that you like what you see and you support the channel. Also guys, don't forget to participate on this giveaway. It's free, so why not take advantage of it? Alrighty guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Peace out.